Want free crypto while supporting renewable energy? Starpower is a decentralized energy network optimizing devices like electric cars and home batteries, and they're giving away 30 million tokens through an airdrop. I'm Adam, and in today's video on Airdrop Insider, I'll show you how to claim your free Starpower SP tokens before the airdrop ends. Let's dive in. Starpower is a blockchain-based energy network backed by Solana, Alliance.io, Arweave, and IoTex. How does it work? Optimizes energy usage for electric cars, home batteries, and smart grids. Lowers energy costs while stabilizing renewable energy sources. Integrates blockchain and IoT for decentralized energy management. And now, they're rewarding early adopters with a 30 million token airdrop. Follow these steps for your rewards. Step 1. Register on Starpower. Visit the Starpower wallet registration page and enter your Solana wallet address. Step 2. Connect your wallet and socials. Install Phantom Wallet, then link your Twitter and Discord. Step 3. Use a referral code. Enter a referral code, e.g. TSNWPZ, for bonus rewards. Step 4. Activate a Pioneer Pass NFT, optional. Buy the Pioneer Pass NFT on Magic Eden and activate it on Starpower's site. Step 5. Purchase and verify Starplug hardware, optional. Order Starpower's Starplug device for extra rewards. The more tasks you complete, the more SP tokens you earn. This airdrop is unique because it's tied to real-world energy solutions. 30 mem token allocation, a huge reward pool for early adopters. Support renewable energy. Earn while reducing carbon footprints. Bonus rewards. Referrals, NFTs, and hardware purchases boost your earnings. Getting in early gives you the best chance to maximize rewards. Want to stay updated on Starpower and other top airdrops? Join my Telegram channel for real-time updates, tips, and exclusive airdrop insights. The link is in the description. Reach out anytime. Starpower is combining blockchain with real-world energy solutions. Are you ready? Subscribe to Airdrop Insider for more crypto airdrop guides and updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or message me on Telegram. Claim your free SP tokens today and be part of the decentralized energy revolution.